this video we're going to show you how we do our morning chores. So first we'll feed the goats. What happened? Okay, now we gotta. The water is fine. I'll get it tonight. Fill it back up here. Gotta break the ice. Now let's go to the chickens. We're gonna have a little bit more things to do over there. And stay tuned to another video. We'll be showing you our night chores. So we got a jug of water because we don't have a hose to reach out here, and our water's always empty and muddy. So we just change those every morning and every night. Well, every afternoon. Okay, that was good. Okay, gotta get our ladder. One, two. Oh, she's gonna take a break. Oh, while she's trying to get out, they have food and oyster shells. We don't have to change those today. Is this one of those days? They got plenty. And we check for eggs every night. Oh, they just go behind there. Oh, there's all the guard rocks. Okay, she's gonna take her time. Well, how about we end our video here? So that's our morning chores. So stay tuned to the night chores on another video. And I'll see you on that next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.